Alright, give us a little try. Here's the Tele style through my Spark amp. Kind of playing on a clean type Fender-ish with a little bit of dirt. I'm going to do front pickup and the bridge. So again, I'm going to change this pickup out for it's called a split, vintage split. So change this out. I will be changing my strings, so it's probably not going to be a total 100% fair. Comparison. But the strings on this are a little older, and I want to replace them while I've got the strings off and changing out the pickup. We'll see if I do it. That's just the front. Sounds pretty good. Kind of like the sound, but I want to try something new. So hopefully we'll have a good comparison. Again, this is a Xavier that I got from Guitar Fetish, GFS, and we'll see how it sounds different when I get the new pickup in. Again, this is a humbucker. That's what I'm changing out, but we'll see if it makes any difference. Hopefully it does. Hopefully a good difference. Funny thing is I rarely use the neck pickup, but you know, hey, might as well give it a try and see what it sounds like, and maybe I'll start using the neck pickup more. I did use it on one song. There's a YouTuber who talked about Black Sabbath using the neck pickup, and then it came out that they never did use the neck pickup. But I tried a song using the neck pickup, you know, distorted. It sounded great. So, you know, I appreciate his video. Circle of Sound, I think. It's been a while since I've watched. I need to watch more. So anyway, hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'm going to change the pickup out and put the new one in and then do another video. Thank you.